Are they hungry? What are you going to feed them?
They're eating.
They're eating? Want to show me what they're eating? Is that a big carrot?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
They're sharing.
Yeah.
The child and the horse have to wait for it.
What animals do you have in your barnyard?
The horse is gonna go back in the bucket. So is the dog. Uh-oh. The bucket. The cats. Okay, now play with the pig. Now, okay? Wink, 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 wink. It's eat time for them. And now this one is good. Cows trying to get out. Ooh. And now the duck.
Did they all get fed?
Yeah. This one is still eating.
Is he? Are they thirsty? Maybe you could carry something for them to drink in that bucket. What would you give them to drink?
Water.
Water. That's probably the best idea.
But you know what? We could feed them there's a water bowl.
Do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Well, goodbye to everybody. Tell them your name.
Yeah.
You are. This was Inspector number 5. Sophie Do It. Goodbye, everybody. This was No Nonsense Nana from Heartfelt Play Store saying, make good choices.